Welcome to Florida, and we're gonna get ready to go on a jet boat cruise. But before we do that, check this out. And it's not really a jet boat, it's more an airboat. But look, black vultures. Let's check them out. He's getting some water.
What's in the water? What's floating in there? Are those like flies or what is that? What in the water, Dad?
Look at this guy, he's so cool.
Why does he look so cool to me, Dad? Why does he look so
Hold
cool
on.
to me? Yeah, why does he look so cool? I wonder if Mom's wondering where we are.
This is the coolest thing ever. This is gonna be such a cool ride. Hopefully we'll see some alligators. Maybe. Hopefully. I haven't seen any geocaches in the area yet, but I'm gonna look and see if I find any geocaches. Oh, look, it must be a baby.
What the heck? That's gross. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Is that the mom or the dad?
Maybe it's a mom.
Because why does the head look bigger? Doesn't the head look different than the others? Tell me if you see the alligator.
Yeah. And I say that we're gonna go on one of those. What I'm about to see is all real. We're gonna go into Wild Florida and check out what's inside the gift shop or the shop or whatever it is. It's ought to be interesting. Let's turn it on sloth mode.